So we have ordered I believe it's called hang on. So we ordered the Polynesian Twilight Feast, which is basically the Ohana dinner, but it's delivered to your room. How awesome is that? So here it is. So we have the bread pudding, we have the salad, some dressings. I don't know if that's what kind of drink that is. Looks like that pog, passion fruit, orange, and cola. I believe that's what that is. And we've got our buns and other stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get started on this right away. Let's see how this is. So I'm gonna start with the salad. It looks delicious. I have to admit, our timing is not the greatest for this meal. We miss seeing the fireworks from the beach because this was taking about an hour or more to come. And of course it arrived right about the same time that Charmaine was doing some laundry and she had to put the clothes in the dryer. So she's not here. So I'm just gonna not eat very much. I'm gonna try this salad right now. Oh, it's nice. Like an Asian-inspired dressing. Like a soy ginger. Very good. Oh yeah, I like it. So it comes with some fresh buns and some more of this macadamia nut butter, which it's pretty good. We had some of this at our meal at Kona Cafe. Let's try this bread. That's excellent. This day is awesome. What do you think of the salad?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Fresh.
So I'd like to mention that this is an order for one. They said you probably just want to get one and split it. So this is the second course, which is noodles and veggie. So we're going to tuck into that along with the bread and the salad with the macadamia nut butter there for the bread. Yeah, there's one more course. No, two more to go. Noodles. Those are good. Oh my. Did I mention this is a serving for one? I can't imagine if we've got two of these. Sticky chicken wings. Said this is everything that's in the Ohana dinner. Good yummy. See, it's what a perfect medium, I would say. It's good. Well, you can see we did a pretty good job on it. There's still dessert to go. So I don't think, other than maybe the temperature of the food, that there's going to be a lot of difference between ordering this room service and eating in the restaurant.
Yeah, he had both once in the bottom of his cart and such.
Oh yeah, so just our timing was bad. That's all. It's not their fault.
No.
And I'm not complaining about the temperature of the food.
I'm not a big fan of grilled barbecue. At home it's fine, but I don't go with my way for it.
Yeah.
This meal, as far as I'm concerned, is just fine.
Yep.
You know, it's, again, real food. It's not processed. It's not crappy.
It's not crappy, but
the beef was good. The chicken was good.
this was a huge amount of food, and this is
not go to my life card.
and this is one order. Like, this is a one order, like, for one person, I guess. Now, if we'd gone to Ohana for dinner, it would have cost us probably $100 for this meal. It's all you care to eat. They keep bringing it to you like at a Brazilian steakhouse. But I'm telling you, this one delivery was more than enough food for both of us.
Some people love it.
Some people think Ohana is the greatest thing. We got some excellent advice, which I now know.
But it's all personal.
Yeah. I asked Jen from Gen Tracker, from Tim and Jen, Tim Tracker, her opinion of Ohana, and she said you could probably do better she actually told us a different place to try. And Charmaine's not a huge fan of Brazilian. Every once in a while I get in a mood where I really want to be a monster carnivore. But I'm glad we did not spend the whole evening having dinner at Ohana. Originally, that was what our first Saturday that we arrived at Walt Disney World was going to be.
Pretty good. Some people love it.
Yep, some people love it.
It's not my thing.
It's a matter of perspective. It's what kind of food you've experienced in the past and what you like. And again, I'm being very overly critical. There was nothing wrong with this food. My favorite parts of it happened to be the beef and the chicken. I thought they were very, very flavorful. Those noodles were very good.
Mm-hmm.
The shrimp, a little overcooked, I thought. A little...
Every time they get caught up, or it's actually not going to be the same.
Yeah, no, that's true. But for $40 for two people, that's actually a pretty awesome deal. And room service. Actually, the one thing, room service at the Polynesian is extremely reasonably priced. I was looking at different menus, the two different places that we're going to be staying at, and the prices are for room service are very good at the Polynesian.
You love this hotel. Fantastic.
This hotel is amazing. So, very happy. We're going to try
It's nice to have the different restaurants around so you can try different things.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, there's Kona Cafe, there's Ohana, there's Tambu Lounge, there's Kona Island for sushi. I think there's one other place too. Captain Cook's. Yeah, we've had a couple meals at Captain Cook's now.
And you can get doable.
Yes, at what's the name of the Dole Whip place? Anyways, Lapu Lounge or something? Oh, Pineapple Lanao. Yes, that's exactly it. Polynesian is amazing. Now, for the famous bread pudding. Ohana bread pudding. Well, that looks pretty darn good. This is something I've also wanted to try for a very long time. This is one of those Disney bucket list food items. Can you set that down on somewhere else so it doesn't sticky up this table? Thank you, my darling. So, let's see. I've been sitting around for a bit. Like I said, our timing was just off a little bit for this meal. Okay. That, I think, is worth its reputation. You can go to Tambu Lounge and just order it.
They have sushi over there too.
Yeah. everything we've had is very good. I mean, there is not a thing wrong with this meal. This meal was absolutely fine. I just think I'm happy we ordered it room service. I'm happy we split it, and I'm glad that we didn't spend the money to go to Ohana
And I'm
for
sure
dinner.
the show is nice. And
Yeah, I'm sure it's absolutely fine, and everything's always better when it's fresh coming right off of the fire. But that being said, there's probably better Brazilian style restaurants around. So, all in all, yeah, this was good. This was very good. But the bread pudding, kaboom! Yum. Yeah, so that's our review of room service at the Polynesian for the Polynesian Twilight Feast. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and remember to subscribe. We come to Disney all the time and post these videos, but there's all kinds of other stuff we do. So thanks for coming along. See you next time from the Holy Moly.